Fox 2 News starts now.
Pursuant to the statute made and provided, you are therefore committed to the county jail until you make your bail.
A judge sends 2 controversial Florida pastors to the slammer. The men came to Dearborn to protest outside a mosque, but a jury found their planned protest would likely cause a breach of the peace. In the end, the pastors never held their protest today.
In fact, they spent virtually all day in court. Terry Jones and Wayne Sapp wanted to demonstrate outside the Islamic Center of America. They faced a trial by jury. Prosecutors called witnesses, including the Dearborn police chief, who claimed that the protesting pastors would put the public in danger. Late today, the jury agreed. Prosecutors hoped the judge would set the peace bond at $45,000. He didn't. He only asked them to post $1 each. But the pastors refused, so they went to jail. The high drama didn't end inside the courtroom. Fox 2's Ronnie Dow live in Dearborn. Ronnie, what happened outside?
Yeah, outside, many of the protesters that were inside waiting for that verdict, well, they took their displeasure outside, and at one point in time, they surrounded one of Jones' supporters. I'll tell you what, things got pretty heated from there.
Black, Latino, Arab, Asian, and white, united for equality, we will fight!
A rowdy mob swarmed around Terry Jones supporter Pastor David Grisham following Friday's verdict. They chanted, screamed, and hollered at the Texas Reverend. Things got tense, and Dearborn police moved in to escort him safely out of the crowd.
I just wanted to ask him, this means nothing to you? These people here screaming mean nothing? None of this matters?
What did he say?
He was quiet. He had no answer for me.
Hatred is not allowed in this world.
Protesters were loud, but jurors had little to say. Do you believe in freedom of speech?
Yes, I do.
As the minutes ticked on, protesters kept up their vigil outside 19th District Court, then outside the Dearborn Police Station, waiting in the rain and the cold for the chance to see the Florida pastor, ready to declare victory.
All he's doing right now is trying to get publicity, and all he's doing with us, with the community, is uniting us.
We won, the community won.
What does this day mean to you?
Well, thank God he's not going to go cause any trouble, because we don't want problems between anybody.
The barricades went up, the police dog came out, and cops stood at the ready. But the tense mood diminished, and the crowd dispersed after learning Florida pastors Terry Jones and his sidekick, Wayne Sapp, were slipped out the back.
I got something to say to him. I look at him, he's nothing but a coward. Only a coward do some dirt like that.
And that you want him to know that?
Yes, in no terms uncertain. If you look at my face, you see the seriousness look on my face. I'm not playing when I say my words, man. No disrespect. But hey, that's the jackal sitting up in that place.
So Maurice never got to share his sentiments directly to the pastor because, as we said, they were slipped out the side. We're told someone did post that bond for them. Where they are right now, that's uncertain, but people around here are preparing for them to come back at some point in time to go ahead and hold that protest that they've been promising to do. Monica?
Well, Ronnie, have you heard anything specific about whether Terry Jones plans to come back next week as he said he would?
We have not heard directly from him, but as you have mentioned, he has said numerous times he is going to be coming back. We put a call in to his representatives. They have not called back with any type of response. One thing, though, if they do hold that protest, well, they're going to be in trouble because part of the ruling today is that Wayne Sapp, along with Terry Jones, stay away from the mosque and the area around the mosque for at least 3 years. Monica?
All right, that's pretty clear. All right. Thanks very much, Ronnie.